Guys, I'm so super excited to have you here at this moment. So within this live, we are going to be discussing about how you can turn your $5 into any kind amount you need. So I'm going to share with you my best forex trading scalping strategy. So it is so super amazing and so super powerful strategy, guys, that is going to help you, and then you make a huge profit. Are you getting the point, guys? So the first thing first, what you always have to do, hold on a little bit, there is something which is going wrong here and what I don't understand. So you can drop down, you comment if you can hear me very well or you can see me here very well, guys. Drop you comment there so that we can make massive profit together, the guys, and then we achieve these goals. We are here to help, and that is our goal, guys. So as well, how you can make money within forex trading. The only thing what you have to do, you don't need to master each and everything what you know. So today I want you to focus on one thing. First, give me a time, and then forget everything what you have learned from the day you know about the forex trading, guys. Are you getting the point? So you know the trend lines, you know the support and resistance, wake off, all kinds of the strategies, you know. But have you ever tried to take a break and ask yourself why you make losses? Are you getting the point? What is the problem? What is the problem to make you not be profitable all the time? Are you getting the point? If you can realize that there is something what is holding you back, that is the only thing which you have to change. Are you getting the point? So by the time we end up this live, you will be understanding what have been holding you back so that you don't make the good profits, guys. Are you getting the point? The only thing, we know everything, we have got our full information, guys. The only thing that to twist up the little thing, guys, what we do wrong, and then we start making them, and then we do them right, period. That is all. That is all, guys. If you want to be profitable in the market, you don't need to be having a full books, guys. Are you getting the point? You go to execute in the market, and then you first opening the book. Yeah, I have to see this, I have to see this. No, you have to find one thing with your eyes, training your eyes to see. When you see that thing, that little thing what you have to see in the market is the one which will help you to become profitable. That is all. Are you getting the point? So the first thing, when you reach in the market after opening your chart, are you getting the point? You have to do your top-down analysis. Whether you are a swinger, whether you are intraday, whether you are a scalper, you have to do your top-down analysis. You have to do your top-down analysis from the higher time frame. Why we do the top-down analysis? We do them because they help us to understand the foundation of that day, the foundation of the move of the price within that period. If the market is in a ranging market, are you getting the point? If the market it is on a ranging, which means it will be making the highs, all of those high highs they are equal, or it's making the lower lows and all of those lower lows they are equal. That is what a sideways market, or it is a ranging market. So if it is making the high highs and high lows, that is what a trending market. We always make money when the market it is trending. Always avoid to trade when the market it is on arranging, the most especially when you are scalping. But which means if the market is arranging on 15 minutes, it will be hard for you to take an entry and then you get money, guys. But which means the moment you take a trade, the market will push back and then hit you stop loss. Are you getting? But if it is arranging market, it is showing you the equal highs and equal lows on high time frame, like for example like in daily, in a weekly, that is good. By which means if you catch from the bottom, you take your entries of the buy from the base, and then you take to the roof. Are you getting the point? So you will be making a huge of the what, of the profit. So as the step number one, we have finished to identify the direction of the market. Step number 3, you have to get your key levels, guys. What is the key levels? The key levels, by which means it is a bus stop. Let us say that it is a bus stop, or what can I say that sorry for that interrupting, someone was trying to call me. So the key level, I was still spending the key levels, by which means if the market come in that zone, by which means if the market was making the high and then it have come back to retest that the previous high it have what which was broken, that we call it a key level, guys. Are you getting? That is the key level, which means those key levels, they are the U-turns or the swings, guys, which are the market used to turn around. We always trade the reversals, guys. Are you getting the point? Let us say that the market it have been making the high highs and high lows, and then it have come back to retest the previous lower low. If the market come back to retest that the previous lower low, we don't think that the market will test and then continue going up, or maybe continue buying. So we have to wait the confirmations after the market coming back to retest, and then we take the entries. We stop, guys, thinking. We stop thinking, because what makes us to make loss? We think that the market have reached on our key levels. But let us say that we have seen the market is going down, which means we have to take the sales, and then the market have reached on the key levels. So we want to execute, guys. Don't think that the market will go down. First wait the U confirmations, or maybe the trend line breakout, support and resistance. After breaking out, they come back to retest in the low time frame, and then you execute. Never think that the market is going to go on your side and then you execute before that market showing you, before the price showing you that now it's time we are moving down, or it's time we are moving up. That is the biggest the problem. I know very well we do well the market analysis, we do well to mark our key and support and resistance, whatever you can call, very well. But the problem is coming about the execution. When it reach on execution, all of us will get stuck. We have been there. We are still getting some problems with that. We know that what we call a greedy, or what we get a fear, guys. For instance, let us say that you have already made loss 2 times. When you can see the opportunity on the 3rd time, you feel like, oh, I'm scared, market is no. That's what we call fear, guys. So you can fight with that, and that comes always to think that the market is going to go on my direction without getting full confirmation, and then you execute. Unfortunately, the market comes and take you off, guys, which means we have rushed and then we get earlier entries. So if we change that, it will help us to turn the any kind of the amount, guys. The any kind of the amount. So here are the something, guys, what I want. That's why I have not tried to use the chart and show you everything in the chart. I want just to highlight for you, or to create for you a picture, and then when I'm talking, you just use your brain to diving it deep into your chart, and then start drawing those things in your head. That will help you to create your things, what you can see in the market. We always find one thing in the market, and the market is I'm liking the market these days. You know what? Sometimes back when it was giving me a headache, and then always I make a loss, I was feeling like I can quit this forex. It is a scam. It's not working very good. So that was my problem. Are you getting the point? But after realizing that the market, it makes something repeatable always again, guys. It's like let me give you an example that there is no something what can happen which have not ever been happened before. Are you getting the point? Eh? You can't get married. Are you getting the point? You will not get married because you are the first person to get married. No, we just do something what people they have already did before, guys. So that is also the same way how the market does its thing. It repeats everything. So I want you to today, after closing this live, you go to your chart. Don't put anything. Make your chart clean. Don't put your indicators. Don't put any strategy what you have. I want you to go on those swing levels that the market have high. So I want to identify this in H1. Go in H1. If after reaching on H1, after reaching in H1, try to identify those swing lows and swing highs. Are you getting it? Don't put any indicator. Are you getting a point in your chart? Don't put any indicator in your charts. What you have to do, identify those swing lows and swing highs. Zoom out. I don't know what they call zoom out, zoom in, whatever what we can call it, and then try to see what was the thing forced that market to turn. Why the market turned there? What was the reason the market to reverse? That is the question what you have to ask. This is my trading secret, what I'm sharing with you guys, and it is only for mine. Don't put anything in your chart. I want you to forget everything what you know, everything what you have been teaching here. We teach those basics and strategies, guys. We are all different traders, but today I want you to give you something special that we change you mind and we change you trading the styles, trading skill forever, guys. So one thing, go to you chart and identify swings, whether in a H1, whether in a all time frame. Just try to find out what is that thing with your eyes. Are you getting the point? After seeing that thing, try to scroll back. Is that thing happen again? If you see that thing with your eyes, are you getting the point? I can show it to you, but I will not tell you because I will make you a dormant. I can't always give. I can't always be feeding you guys. You have to start feeding yourself. Are you getting the point? You start feeding yourself. You know, sometimes we have to speak the reality. We have to tell people the truth. What we have to do. Go in the market. Don't put indicator. Don't put anything. Just try to find yourself why the market turned. If you see that thing, that is the day when you will start getting be profitable. And if you see that thing, you implement it in all kind of the strategy that you are using to trade. Are you getting the point? If you don't understand why the market it is reversing on your key level, guys, you will never be profitable in the market. You will never succeed. Are you getting the point? If you can't identify that thing, you will never succeed in the market. Why? You will always keep blaming yourself, things they are not working. Why? You ask yourself why you always jump from strategy to strategy, from strategy to strategy. In here on Trader Dives, as online dives, we have almost like 5 strategies. We have WTB strategy, that is for break trading. We have MW15 strategy. We have swing strategy. We have many strategies, and all of them I have given them out, and then I'm still creating the PDF, so I'm still giving out the PDF. If you want that PDF of those our strategies, make sure to leave your comment below there, or to send you just drop down the PDF. I will send you. Make sure you leave your WhatsApp down there, so that I can send you that PDF for Skyping if you want to be a good scalper, guys, with indices. You know, here we're focusing on indices only. So guys, if you have question before we leave this, make sure you drop there down a question so that I can answer you right now. I'm waiting some questions, guys, so that we are here to move those hubs in the way so that we can all move forward, guys. We can all move forwards, guys. So there's something, guys, what I want to share with you guys. There is what we call on my side, there is what I call like stress, market stressing, guys. So if you want to be stress free, if you want to be stress free for sure in the market, guys, I want you stop using the small time frames when you are doing market analysis. If you don't want to be stressful, because the moment you execute in the market, you will always keeping on your chart day and night, and then we get panic, and then you can't even trade over like like 3 days, you will feel like headache, you don't understand things. So what you have to do, stop using small time frames, guys, because you have to highlight out those noise. If you highlight those noise, you will get the time to relax your mind, you get the time to come and analyze your trades, sorry, you analyze your chart very well and very clear, guys. So stop using the low time frames so much. We use the time frames just for execution, not for analyzing. The problem is that you come, you know that you are a scalper, you want to take 10 to 20 pips, guys, so you come directly in 5 minutes, so you execute. That is not how we do it. Even if you are going to take 10 pips, guys, fast and go to high time frame, H4 time frame, and then if you reach in H4 time frame, the only one thing what you have to do, don't draw anything support and resistance or whatever, because you Skype, just identify one thing: the market is going up, is going down, or it is arranging. If you see that, drop down to H1, or when you reach down in H4, in H1, draw there your support and resistance, or key level, whatever what we call, just use line, you draw like that on high, that previous high, draw your line there. If you draw it there, wait the market to come there. You have to see there's two things what happens when you draw that you key level or the horizontal two line. Market will break and then go up, or it will fail to reverse back. So another thing, you have to be reading the history of the candlesticks pattern. You can see the candlestick pattern, guys, it's moving up. Let us use the H4 candle. It can move up like that, and then before it closes, it pushes down, and then it closes as what an inverted hammer. That's what I can call it. That it have a big wick down and then a small head down like that. So that, what is the story behind that? It shows you that the market, the buyers were big, forcing the market to go up, to continue, and they break that key level. They have failed, guys. They have failed. So that power which leads those be taken over, it shows that the market, it is now telling us it's going down. That's what you have need to know. Keep in your mind, when the market reaching on you zones, it do two things: whether to break that zone and go, or whether to fight to break it and reverse. That's why we call that we don't think that the market is going to go on our direction. We just react on the market. What is there right now? Now, for instance, if I can ask you something, what is going on right now here at the live? What do you see? Okay, if you can see me right now, do you think what is my next move? I'm going to move this hand. This is my hand is here. Where is can you predict the next step of my hand is going to go right or left? That is the market. So if you see, this is the key levels. Are you getting the point? You wait to react to the market. Don't think. If you think that the market is going to go right, unfortunately you take your buy and then it goes left. Sell. Already you're in loss. That's why you have just think that the market is going to go in your direction. The only thing to survive is that you have to be there, wait the market, and it tells you whether I'm going left or whether I'm going right. If it's going right, are you getting the point? What to do, what to see. Just find to read the informations that those big banks, those smart monies, what they telling us. Do you know there are some footprints what those people living there on those key levels? With just one candlestick like this, it tells you that the market is going to sell 100 pips with one candlestick pattern. That's why I told you that don't use anything, go in the chart and first understand what the things around on the what, on the U-turns, on the swings, on those the high highs and high lows, what the power comes from there. What do you see with your eyes? If you see that thing, try to identify all swings in the market. Is that the same thing happens what you have identified there? Let us say that maybe you have seen that like a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, it have happened on the swing of the H4. If that swings have happened in H4 swing, bullish engulfing, by which means we are looking for the buy. Are you getting the point? Now find the all buy momentums or the buy swings. Did that engulfing candlestick pattern happened? If it have been happening, stick on that one candlestick pattern. If you don't see it, don't take the trade. If you see it, take the trade. That's all. If you can, just one thing, guys. So by which means, if you have seen that the engulfing candlestick pattern, it always happen on what, on the key level, and it happens immediately, I execute and then we move. Are you getting the point? Always wait at the key level, that engulfing candlestick pattern to happen. The moment it happens, execute. If you don't see it, don't trade, please. Leave the market. The market, for me, I have 36 years old. I'm 36 years of old right now where we are talking with you. I born when the market is still there. I born, I found the market is there, and I will die, I will leave the market when it's still there. So if you miss the opportunity today, tomorrow the opportunity is there. The only thing to understand what to do, when to do it, and how to do it right. Are you getting the point, guys? So stop, and stop. Guys, I'm begging you, stop making things hard. Stop making things hard. Try on your level best to see that this forex you can make it very easy. That's why I'm trying on my level best to share with you the all good information what I have, so that we can all move together. My goal of online dives and with all domains to help 1 million subscribers. That is all my goal, and I would be happy, and I will be happy that I have did what I supposed to do, guys. So I think if you have got any value from this live, I want you to take it, implementing it. You know, anything happen when we are doing the practice. For example, me and you, we couldn't be talking if we couldn't try many times. We failed to try to talk, or maybe me and you, we could be not working when we had not put the working process in action. Everything we share with you guys, make sure to put them in the practice, and then you do what, and then you see the progress. That's all what I have for you guys today. I think we can stop here. We shall continue. I'm going to I'm going to upload the W8, which strategy? It is W15SB strategy for scalpers. The video, it will be uploaded maybe night. Yes, I think midnight on GDTB time. So be waiting for that scalping strategy, and then it's going to be a massive. We help you, and then you crash all indices, all pair, any kind of asset which you want to be trading, guys. It will be amazing, helpful. And if you need the PDF, just leave the comment there. I will make sure to put your WhatsApp number so that I will send that PDF to you guys for free. I'm not charging anything. If you need mentorship, mentorship, it is for $1,000. If you want to mentor you, I take a trade you take. If they hit us and then we fit together, so I charge $1,000 for the mentorship. If you can afford that, DM me and then we deal the deal. Are you getting the point? See you to the next live. Peace. Thank you.